In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Booking.com. Whether you're just joining Booking.com or have been using it for years, having an up-to-date profile picture can help personalize your account, making it feel more like yours. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage your profile picture. First things first, grab your computer and open up your preferred web browser. To begin, you need to sign into your Booking.com account. Simply navigate to the Booking.com homepage and look for the Sign In option. Enter your username and password, and with that, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your account. Now that you're signed in, head over to the top right corner of the page. There, you should see either your name or a profile icon, which often appears as a small avatar. Go ahead and click on that, prompting a drop-down menu to appear. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled either My Profile or Account/Personal Details. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to your personal profile settings. Here, you can manage all sorts of details related to your account, but for now, we're focusing on the profile picture. As you browse through your profile settings or personal details page, look for a section where your current profile picture is displayed. If you don't have one yet, you might see a placeholder image instead. The key here is to locate the option to change or upload a profile picture. You're on the lookout for an Edit option or a small camera or pencil icon nestled next to your picture. Once you find that, click on it. Doing so will typically open a dialog box or take you to a new screen where you'll be able to upload a new photo. At this point, you'll need to select a picture from your computer that you want to use as your new profile image. After choosing your photo, some sites offer you the ability to adjust or crop the image. If Booking.com prompts you to do so, take a moment to ensure your photo looks just the way you'd like it to appear. Finally, once you've made any desired adjustments, look for a Save Changes button and give it a click. Your new profile picture will be saved and instantly updated across your account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Booking.com. A fresh profile picture not only uplifts the appearance of your account, but can make your interactions feel more personal. Remember, if you ever want to change it again, you can follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!